Hey, design dreamers! Welcome to our review of ClickDesigns, the secret sauce for turning your creative visions into jaw-dropping graphics. I'm Jenny, and today, we're diving deep into the world of design magic. Raise your hand if you've ever felt overwhelmed by graphic design tools. Well, fear not. ClickDesigns is here to rescue us from the tangled web of complicated software. Let's talk benefits. Benefit 1: User-friendly interface. ClickDesigns boasts an interface so smooth, it's like butter on a warm croissant. No more hair pulling over cryptic menus. Benefit 2: Templates galore. With over 25,000 templates, you'll find designs for every occasion: logos, banners, cat birthday cards, you name it. Benefit 3: No design skills required. Even your cat, well, maybe not the cat, can create stunning graphics. DaVinci, who? Benefit 4: AI magic. Hold on to your pixels. ClickDesigns uses AI like a wizard's wand. AI copywriter, instantly generate killer headlines. AI image creator, whip up original visuals faster than you can say Picasso. AI background remover, bye-bye, unwanted backgrounds. AI object remover, sayonara, photobombing squirrels. Benefit 5: Website builder harmony. Whether you're on WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, ClickDesigns plays nice with all the cool kids. How to ClickDesigns like a pro. 3 simple steps. 1. Select, browse thousands of drool-worthy templates. 2. Edit, customize like a boss. Add glitter if you want, I won't judge. 3. Publish, boom. Your masterpiece is live, and you didn't need a coding wizard by your side. Raving reviews. Mila McCammon says unleash your imagination. Ron Conway says game changer alert. Cherry Lynn says dreams come true with ClickDesigns. Gay and Peter Fern says installing it everywhere. In summary, ClickDesigns unlocks your creative superpower. So go ahead, design warriors, create eye-catching graphics, and let your creativity soar. And remember, it's smoother than a well-iced cake.